When it comes to budget tracking, two popular tools that often come up are Sage 50cloud and Xero. So, which one truly delivers the better budgeting experience? Let's take a deep dive and find out, but stick around till the end, because there's a surprise better alternative you won't want to miss. First up, let's talk about Sage 50cloud. It's a powerful tool that's been around for quite a while. It offers solid budget tracking features with a focus on providing detailed financial reports. Sage 50cloud lets you create and monitor budgets easily, giving you full visibility over your financial status. You can compare actual versus budgeted figures, which is crucial for any business or individual trying to manage their finances. But here's the catch: while it offers a lot of customization options, the user interface can feel a bit outdated and complex for some users, especially if you're not a financial expert. Next thing, let's move to Xero. Xero also provides strong budget tracking capabilities, and what's great about Xero is that it's cloud-based, which makes it accessible from anywhere. It offers budget creation and real-time tracking, syncing data seamlessly across devices. The platform's interface is modern and user-friendly, which is a big plus for people who want to get things done quickly. However, while Xero makes tracking easier with its intuitive design, some users report that its budget tracking features, while good, don't go as deep into reporting and forecasting as Sage 50cloud does. The third thing to consider is the integration capabilities. Sage 50cloud integrates well with other Sage products and has a variety of third-party integrations, which is a major benefit if you're running a larger business with complex needs. But for those just getting started, Sage 50cloud can be overwhelming with the number of options and integrations available. On the other hand, Xero boasts a wide range of integrations with other accounting tools, apps, and financial institutions, which makes it a great choice for smaller businesses or individuals who need an all-in-one solution without the steep learning curve. The fourth thing we should discuss is customer support. Both Sage 50cloud and Xero offer support, but the quality of that support is often debated. Sage 50cloud tends to have solid customer service, but response times can be slow at times, and users often feel like they're not getting the personalized help they need. Xero support, on the other hand, is generally regarded as more responsive and efficient, making it a more favorable option for those who prioritize support when things go wrong. Finally, let's talk pricing. Sage 50cloud is definitely on the pricier side, especially when you factor in additional costs for certain features or integrations. For those just starting out or with smaller budgets, this could be a big hurdle. Xero, though, offers more affordable pricing tiers, making it a more accessible choice for individuals and smaller businesses looking to manage their budgets without breaking the bank. So, which one has better budget tracking? While both Sage 50cloud and Xero provide useful tools for managing your budget, Xero edges out Sage 50cloud when it comes to ease of use, affordability, and cloud accessibility. However, if you're someone who needs deeper financial analysis and doesn't mind a more complex interface, Sage 50cloud might still be a solid choice. Now, as great as these tools are, if you're really looking for a better alternative to manage your budgets more efficiently, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description. After trying all of them myself, I found that this option stands out as the best for budget tracking, with a smoother user experience and exclusive benefits for you. And the best part? You can try it out for free through our link and experience the difference for yourself.